Hi, my name is Sky and I'm 25 years old. I am from Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, and I'm competing for Miss Universe Canada because I really want to make a difference in the lives of young Canadian children, and I also want to impact the world as much as I can. I'm so proud to be Canadian because Canadians are known all around the world to be the kindest and sweetest people. And I'm really proud to be Canadian because we have such a great reputation all over the world. We are so welcoming and so friendly, no matter what your background is. And I love Canada most because it's made up of people from everywhere. And I think that's just such a beautiful, eclectic mix. And I call it home.